beauty reaches the heart before words ever do. Japan holds a beauty and spirit cultivated over centuries. The moment you touch that culture, something quietly opens within you. Central Kyoto, Japan. People from different countries facing the same single character. As hands begin to move, words become unnecessary. The moment the sound rang out, everyone was in the same place. Origami creates smiles. Smiles connect people. In a time of global change, culture connects people across societies. K.I.N bridges cultures for a more connected, sustainable world. This is that place